Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC C1248-78, indicates a malfunction specifically related to the vacuum pump motor in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. This code suggests that the electric vacuum pump has locked during normal operation, indicating a potential fail point within the system. The electric vacuum pump, which plays a crucial role in generating vacuum for various automotive functions, is monitored by the electric vacuum pump control unit. When the control unit detects that the pump motor is locked, it identifies this abnormal condition and subsequently stores the DTC for future reference. Understanding this DTC is essential for diagnosing potential braking issues or other systems reliant on vacuum. Proper troubleshooting steps must follow to address the issue effectively. The electric vacuum pump is responsible for creating a vacuum that assists in functions like brake boost and other related systems. Located typically near the brake booster under the hood, this component is integral to ensuring adequate braking performance. When the vacuum pump motor locks due to some internal failure or blockage, the electric vacuum pump control unit will detect this condition almost immediately. The control unit is the brain behind monitoring the pump's operation, effectively understanding its functionality status in real time. A locking condition can arise from mechanical failure, electrical shorts, or other issues, compelling the control unit to generate the DTC C1248-78. Immediate attention to this error is crucial to maintain vehicle safety and performance. The possible causes of the DTC C1248-78 include several factors that can affect the operation of the vacuum pump. Mechanical failure is one prominent reason, where internal components may wear down or break, causing the motor to lock up. Additionally, an electrical short in the wiring associated with the vacuum pump could lead to an interruption in power, resulting in the pump being unable to function correctly. Furthermore, blockages within the vacuum pump itself, whether from debris or failures in humidity management, can also lead to this DTC being triggered. Each of these causes necessitates careful inspection and testing to pinpoint the exact source of the malfunction. Addressing these underlying issues is vital for resolving the DTC effectively. Drivers experiencing a DTC C1248-78 may notice significant symptoms manifesting while operating the vehicle. One of the most critical symptoms includes a noticeable degradation in braking performance, where the brake pedal may feel unusually hard or unresponsive. This change can adversely affect vehicle control and increase stopping distances, which poses safety risks. Additionally, drivers might see warning lights on the vehicle's dashboard indicating a problem with the braking system. In some cases, individuals may also hear unusual sounds from the pump area, or the pump may fail to operate altogether. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential to address issues before they escalate into more severe problems. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC C1248-78 involves setting the vehicle to on mode. This is achieved by turning the ignition key without starting the engine, allowing the vehicle's electronic systems to initialize. Once settled into this mode, it's essential to wait for at least 2 seconds. This waiting period allows all systems, including monitoring for error codes and initializing the control unit, to properly engage. After the wait, the vehicle must then be turned to off mode to reset any possible transient errors and prepare for the next step. This is a crucial initial action as it ensures a clean diagnostic cycle is performed before further inspection. In the second step, after the vehicle has been turned off and allowed to reset, the engine must now be started. This step is crucial as it brings the vehicle's standard operating systems back online. After starting the engine, it's advised to wait for at least 1.5 seconds to ensure that all electronic control units are calibrated and operational before proceeding. This brief waiting period allows for proper initialization of the vacuum pump's electronic control unit, which plays a significant role in the functionality of the vacuum pump system. Observing responses during this period is important to gauge any irregularities in performance, which may indicate ongoing issues with the vacuum pump. The third troubleshooting step requires the driver to press the brake pedal while the engine is running. This action simulates normal operating conditions and engages the electric vacuum pump as it functions during typical braking scenarios. It is critical to perform several pumping actions to both deploy the brake system effectively and engage any vacuum assist functions provided by the electric vacuum pump. Monitoring responses during this procedure is essential. Any unusual behaviors, such as difficulty in pedal movement or absence of power assist, could indicate that the vacuum pump is malfunctioning. Observing these responses will help in determining whether the vacuum pump is operating as expected or if the troubleshooting will require deeper inspection. Once all troubleshooting steps have been completed and repairs made if necessary, final verification becomes imperative to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Begin by checking that the DTC C1248-78 has been cleared from the vehicle's computer memory, indicating that the fault has been addressed. Following this, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to evaluate real-world operating conditions. During the test drive, pay close attention to the brake system's responsiveness and any unusual sounds from the pump area. Monitoring for the reoccurrence of the DTC is crucial. If it does come back, further diagnosis may be required to target potential underlying issues. This final verification step is a safeguard, ensuring that both safety and functionality are restored effectively. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in ensuring the long-term functionality of the vacuum pump system within the Honda Civic. Regular system checks can help spot potential issues before they escalate into major faults, such as the DTC C1248-78. Inspection of electric connections associated with the vacuum pump should be routine, as corrosion or loose connections can lead to malfunction. Regular vacuum pump health checks should also be incorporated into maintenance schedules. Replacing the pump based on manufacturer recommendations can prevent unforeseen failures. Establishing a rigorous preventative maintenance routine is key to avoiding costly repairs and enhancing vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC C1248-78 and its implications on the Honda Civic 2022 Plus is fundamental for effective vehicle management. The vacuum pump plays an essential role in vehicle safety by ensuring reliable braking performance, and any issues regarding its operation must be addressed without delay. Identifying the underlying causes of the DTC is crucial. Diagnosing electrical faults, mechanical failures, or blockages ensures a comprehensive resolution of the issue. Furthermore, implementing regular maintenance practices can prevent the emergence of such DTCs and prolong vehicle functionality. Awareness and proactive engagement regarding these aspects can significantly enhance both the safety and performance of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!